Hares run free on the Wicklow mountains, wild geese fly and foxes play. The sporting Wicklow boys are working, they're digging a tunnel through the London clay. Up with the shields, jacket, a ram it, drive a tunnel through the London clay. Lochter, trout, crow, fat and lazy, salmon sport in Cosla Bay. Fishermen from Connemara are digging a tunnel through the London clay. Up with the shields, jacket, a ram it, drive a tunnel through the London clay. The Currachorats on Achill Island, tourists walk on the Newport Quay. The Mayo boys have all gone roving, they're digging a tunnel through the London clay. Up with the shields, jacket, a ram it, drive a tunnel through the London clay. Carlow girls are fine and handsome, all decked out so neat and gay. The Carlow boys don't come and court them, they're digging a tunnel through the London clay. Up with the shields, jacket, a ram it, drive a tunnel through the London clay. Down in the dark are the tunnel tigers, out of the sun and the light of day. Down in the land that the sea once buried, they're digging a tunnel through the London clay. Up with the shields, jacket, a ram it, drive a tunnel through the London clay. Up with the shields, jacket, a ram it, drive a tunnel through the London clay.